Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to draw on OLED display using OLED screen and an ESP32 to display a dashboard for your IoT projects. First, let's look at the wiring diagram. It's easy to follow, so you can make it by yourself. Next, let's open this website, lopaka.app. Create a new project clicking on this button, give it a name, and select the U8G2 platform. After that, select the screen size, it's 12.8 by 64. Then click Submit. At the top of the screen, we have different tools to draw our dashboard. Let's start by rectangles, drawing some lines to divide the screen, drawing some circles, to make the circle field, please check the choice. To add the text, please click on this icon, click anywhere on the screen, and edit the text from this side. You can change the font size from this list. Also, you can use ready icons provided from this website. You can go to Images, scroll down until you find the desired icon. Then click on it to be added to the screen. You can place layers by drag and drop using your mouse. To add your custom icons, you can draw it using any software. You can just go to flaticon.com, search the icon you want to get, then click on black for the color and click for the shape fill. Select any icon, then click on it, choose the dimension to be 24 and click on free download. Once done, go back to Lopaka, click on images, then click add image. Then select the downloaded icon from Flaticon. After that, click import. You can play with the settings until you get the desired result of the image. Then click on import. Wait for some seconds and you can find your icon at the top of the images section. Click on it to be added to the screen. After some time, I end up with this result. Now let's display this interface into our OLED screen using the generated code for us. But before we go, we should tweak these settings. Please select the style as Arduino CPP. Tick this choice and tick this choice to get comments on top of each layer. After that, create a new Arduino project and it should include these libraries, such as wire and U8G2 library. If you don't have this library, please install it from the library manager. Also, we need to initialize our OLED screen using this line and we go to write begin for the wire and U8G2 libraries in the setup method. After that, we go back to Lopaka and copy the images only and paste it in top of the initialization. After that, we can copy the rest of the code and put it into the loop method. And yeah, we are ready to go and display our dashboard into our OLED screen using ESP32. Now let's plug in our ESP32 to our computer and upload the code. Select your ESP board from this list. After that, click on upload. And let's wait for some seconds. Of course, the values here are static. You can change it and make it dynamic to get the data from your IoT devices. And yeah, the code has been uploaded successfully. Let's look at the result. As you can see, our dashboard has been displayed successfully on the OLED screen. And it looks very good with a high quality. This data is static. You can make it dynamic by getting the value of your sensors and entering it to the code. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.